Welcome to AB Khan Insights. This shirt, it is written poker here. So please YouTube, I am not violating any of your terms and conditions or policies or any of your community guidelines, and this video is not an inappropriate video. This is my favorite shirt, so that I wore this. So this video is going to be very amazing and knowledgeable. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the moon. What is a moon? Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. A satellite is an object that revolves around a planet. So moon is a natural satellite orbiting around the Earth. There is only one moon. So to know more about the moon, let us proceed to the video. But wait a minute. I would like to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and turn on the notifications so you get updated of my new videos, and follow me on my creator accounts. And let's proceed to the video. I'm going to tell you the not complete but brief information about the moon. Introduction of moon. The moon is the easiest celestial object to found in the night sky when it is there. The moon is the only astronomical body orbiting the planet Earth. It is the only natural satellite. It is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system, and by far the largest among planetary satellites relative to the size of the planet that it orbits. Earth's only natural satellite hovers above us, bright and round, until it seemingly disappears for a few nights, according to its moon phases. The rhythm of the moon's phases has guided humanity for millennia. Millennia means a period of 1,000 years. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite. Next to the sun, the moon exerts a great influence on the Earth itself, most notably through its effect on Earth's tides. We know that moon is responsible for the Earth's tides. There is also the atmosphere layers, facts, mass, gravity, temperature, and the structure of the moon. Let us discuss them briefly. Now, what is the mass of the moon? Assume that Apollo 11 went into a circular orbit and that the inward gravitational acceleration by the moon on the capsule force of gravity Fg exactly balances the outward centrifugal acceleration Ag. So to solve that, centripetal force equals force of gravity, Fc equals Fg, for the mass of the moon m in terms of the velocity v, radius R, and constant of gravity G. Given that force of gravity equals G M small m divided by r square, and centripetal force equals mv square over r. Whereas equalizing them, Fg equals Fc, it will give the mass of the moon, which is m equals rv square divided by G and R. As the moon is revolving, so its angular velocity becomes v equals 2 pi r over t. So m is equal to 4 pi square r cube over gt square. Putting the values, whereas pi is equal 3.14, r equals 1.737 into 10 power 6 meter, and g is the universal gravitational constant, and its value is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 meter cube per kilogram per square second, and time equals 2 hours because it is a calculated value. Putting all the values in the mass of the moon, we can calculate the mass as 7.4 into 10 power 22 kilogram is the mass of the moon. This is the actual mass of the moon. What are the orbital characteristics of the moon? In the previous video, I have discussed about the orbital characteristics of the planet Earth. Here are some of the orbital characteristics of moon as presented by NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Number 1. Average distance of moon from the Earth is some about 2,38,855 miles or 3,84,400 kilometers. Number 2. perigee means closest approach to the Earth is 2,25,700 miles, which equals to 3,63,300 kilometers. Apogee means the farthest distance from the Earth is 2,52,000 miles or 4,05,500 kilometers. Its orbit circumference is 1,499,618.58 miles or 2,413,402 kilometers. Its mean orbital velocity is 2,287 miles or 3,680.5 kilometers per hour. Moon formation. How the moon was formed. The leading explanation for how moon formed was that a giant impact knocked off the raw ingredients for the moon of the primitive molten earth and into orbit. So by calculating all the values, the moon was formed and its age is 4.53 billion years. Means the moon was formed approximately 4.6 billion years back. Now as there is the atmosphere of the earth and other planets, moon has also its own atmosphere. But the moon has a very thin atmosphere, so a layer of dust or a footprint can sit undisturbed for centuries. Daytime temperatures on the sunny side of the moon reached 273 degrees Fahrenheit or 134 degrees centigrade. It is a daytime temperature. Now on the dark side of the moon, there are two sides of the moon as well as the earth also has the two sides of the moon. One is daytime side and the other is dark side. On the dark side of the moon, it gets as cold as minus 243 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 153 degrees Celsius or centigrades. As to discuss briefly about the moon, we have lost a term named as lunar eclipse. Yes, lunar eclipses. During eclipses, the moon, the earth and sun are in a straight line or nearly so. Many people thought that what is a lunar eclipse? During this, the moon, the earth and the sun are in a straight line or nearly so in a straight line. A lunar eclipse takes place when earth gets directly or almost directly between the sun and the moon. Means that sun and moon and in between them there is the earth or almost in between them. So what is a lunar eclipse? A lunar eclipse occurs only during a full moon. So a lunar eclipse is an eclipse in which the moon appears darkened as it passes into the earth's shadow. So I have told you all the brief information related to the moon. So if you have loved this video, then please like it, comment it and share it with your friends and community of near and dear ones. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on my creator social accounts. So stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.